The Phoenix Police Department has released information and bodycam footage related to an officer-involved shooting that took place on August 10, 2024. The incident began when officers responded to a shots-fired call near 27th Avenue and Van Buren Street. Witnesses reported that a man, later identified as the suspect, fired multiple gunshots before fleeing the scene in a white Ford Explorer. Officers located the suspect's vehicle shortly after and attempted a traffic stop, but the suspect exited the vehicle and fled on foot.
Stay in your car!
What?
Stay in your car!
You're in my car.
Stay in your car! Okay, run a play for me. It's gonna be Sam, India, X-Ray, Edward, Robert, Sam.
Hey! Hey, stop where you are!
Stop!
Stop where you are!
You got your 40? Hey, stop now! I said stop! Fuck it. He's reaching!
Get by the car! Relax. Yep. Slow down. Hey, slow down.
412 Lincoln, 998. 998.
During the foot pursuit, the suspect reached toward his waistband and produced a handgun, prompting officers to open fire. The suspect was struck by gunfire and was later pronounced deceased at the scene. A handgun was recovered near the suspect and was linked to the earlier shooting incident.
Want me to get it?
Hey, stop now! I say stop!
Hey, chill out, chill out! Get behind the car! Get behind the car! Get behind the car! Relax. Breathe. Everybody good?
Hey, slow down. All right, everybody slow down.
Yep.
Okay, that's good. You next.